Have an exciting tutorial lined up for you. We'll be guiding you through the process of installing WordPress on a cPanel. WordPress is a powerful content management system, and a cPanel is a widely used hosting control panel. So let's dive in right in. Before we start, make sure you have hosting account with cPanel access and a domain name registered. Once you have those ready, follow along with me step by step. Okay, first thing we need to do is log into our cPanel account. You should have received your login credentials from your hosting provider. Now enter your username and password and click login. Let me open my cPanel account. So we have already filled in username and password. So just dive into login. So we have successfully logged into our cPanel account. So this is our cPanel, how it looks like. So we have, first thing we have to find here is Cpanel app installer. What we find it here. So this is by default installer for all the applications which is given by cPanel for most of the cPanels. So let's click on app installer, Cpanel app installer. Then you get this kind of panel where you have multiple scripts which you need to be installed. So let's find WordPress and start install. So once you click on install, the most important things what you find on the first screen is the SSL protocol. So if you have installed your SSL certificate, please use HTTPS, or else you can go with the HTTP protocol. So make sure if you have installed SSL, then you can use HTTPS, or else your site will be broken. The second thing what you have to select is, if you have a multi-domain cPanel, you have to select your domain. So we have a multi-domain cPanel. So let's install a WordPress over here. So this is the subdirectory what you have. If you want to have it as a subdirectory, you can use this, or else to use in the base domain like zootopia.com, you can leave it blank. So let's create a subdomain called testing. So it will be zootopia.com. You can directly install to the base of it. So now you have to select the WordPress version what you want to select. By default, I would prefer to have the latest version what we have. The next thing is the site settings. Let's say when you are installing the site settings, let's say we use the site name as testing, and description, whatever the default user description, you can able to change it here. And this is the main thing, admin account. So you need to put the username, password and the email ID which you want to integrate to your WordPress. Let's say I put username as testing, password, email, and in site settings, if you want to enable multi-site, you have this option here. You want to disable WordPress cron, you have the option here. So we are using the single site instance, so we might not need that. So you basically have the option to do that. So here you can able to select the languages, which language you want to install. So by default we are installing it in English, and here are pre-selected plugins if you want to install before, like you're installing your dashboard. So we don't need any, so we are not using any of them. So you have the WordPress advanced option where you can give your database name, you can give table prefix if you want, you can change it from here. Also you have many different options to disable your update notifications, and upgrade, auto upgrade, you can disable it from here. Auto upgrade you can enable and disable here. All the basic minor versions, all these advanced options you can get here, but let's start from the default options. Also they give you like a set of themes which you can install to start with. So for me, we might not need any of them, so we are not selecting any. So also you can give one email ID to send the credentials. So just in case you want to have a backup of your credentials, you can give it, or else you can leave empty. So let's directly dive into install. So the installation process has been started. It will approximately take 3 to 4 minutes. So we have to wait for it. So let's wait, and let's get back once it is done. So now it has been installed. So this is our site URL, and this is our admin panel. So let's directly go to our admin. We are already logged into our admin panel. So you can see a basic version of WordPress has been installed. So let's start with a simple starter website, start to building. So let us add a free theme. Let's say we go with Cadence, installing a free theme. Activating it. So this theme requires one plugin, so let's install that as well. So now it is activated. So let's go with a free starter template. Let's start. We have a cleaning service. So just select your color combinations, full site, skip and import. So it is importing all the required plugins and content, so it takes a little bit of time. Now it has been installed. Let's view the site what we have imported. So if you see this, all clean and neat website has been imported. All different pages has been imported. So that's it, guys. So for this video, I think we have successfully installed WordPress on your Cpanel account and associated with the admin dashboard, installed a free theme, installed that free demo so that the basic website has been set up. Remember, WordPress offers a vast community of developers, tutorials, and resources to help you make the most out of your website building journey. So feel free to explore and experiment with different themes, plugins, and features to create websites that truly represent your business. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech related content. Thank you for watching. Until next time, happy website building.